Jbuds Air Sport. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new Jbuds Air Sport True Wireless by JLab. These are geared towards the active lifestyles from running, fitness, and working out, just to name a few. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide and an assortment of rubber ear tips and foam. The inner flap has the advanced controls and it details each of the touch functions. They are laid out nicely and it is straightforward. It also includes a picture of the package contents. The Air Sport features the following. It has 6 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case, 3 EQ settings, and the Be Aware audio, which allows you to hear your surroundings. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB charging, and it's IP66 sweat and water resistant. The case is plastic all around and is decent in size, not too big. You can see the JLab branding on the top. On the front of the case, you have the charge indicator lights. And on the bottom, it has a built-in USB charging cable, which is very handy to have. No more worrying about carrying or losing cables. The lid is easy to open and it feels very light. The earbuds are held into place by magnets and you can see the ear indicators etched in inside the case. The earbuds have a flexible ear hook that will provide the support, and they also feel solid and durable. On the outside it has the touch controls, just like many of the JLab earbuds. And inside you can see the ear indicator markings. Each of the earbuds have touch controls, LED indicators, ear hooks, microphone, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And this is how they look side by side. These also have the 3 EQ settings as mentioned earlier. It's a matter of tapping on the left side and you can cycle through JLab's signature, which will give you amplified vocals and bass, balance for even sounds and no enhancements, and bass for amplified bass and sub bass. The case comes in at 3.4 by 2.5 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at roughly 74 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 17 grams. And now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the Jbuds Air Sport microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Call quality is very clear and it's loud. Other parties had no issues hearing me. If you want to use the earbuds in mono, it will only work with the right earbud. Testing it with an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency while watching videos, and it had good range. Here are my thoughts on the Jbuds Air Sport. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, the earbuds were very comfortable, and I felt that it was very secure. It was easy to put on and it just sat into place in your ear canals. There was no twisting needed. It was also very light and you don't even notice you have them on at times. They stayed into place while running. Build quality is good for this price point and it's similar to the other JLab products. Touch controls are responsive and easy to use. Having the IP66 rating is also a plus for the segment that this is targeting. When it comes to sound, starting off with the lows, it had enough bass for me. It had some nice punchy bass. This will depend also on the EQ settings to enhance that. Mids and highs were good as well. You can hear vocals and instruments loud and clear, and at no time they got distorted. The treble is balanced for me and it doesn't sound too bright. Having the EQ settings is great, and what I like about the JLab products, since it gives you the flexibility of changing your listening experience. It does well with various music genres and it sounds balanced. So overall, I think this has tremendous value and will be perfect for those that have active lifestyles. It feels secure, delivers on the sound, and the IP rating will protect you from the elements. These are definitely a great alternative to the more expensive brands out there. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.